Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different compounds are given. P is cycloborane, Q is narborane system, and R is cycloheptatriene system, and S is cyclopropanone system. You have to find among the 4 which one is anti-aromatic. The answer lies in the Huckel rule. The Huckel rule says 4n plus 2 pi electrons and planarity and conjugation create aromaticity, and 4n system and planar and conjugation create the anti-aromaticity. Our system is to find anti-aromatic, so let us look at all possibilities. Boron, if you look at it, it has lone pair of electron and it will provide the conjugation, so definitely it's anti-aromatic. Answer is straightforward. Here the empty orbitals provide space for delocalization like cation. Q is definitely non-planar because of the non-boron architecture, so it is non-aromatic. If you look at there is no conjugation, so it's sp3 carbon on middle. It is not planar, so non-aromatic. Then yes, S is aromatic because it has 4n plus 2 pi electron where n is 0, so it's an aromatic system. So our answer is clearly P. Borane system is anti-aromatic. The concept you have to learn here is empty p orbital behave like cation. It will provide space for delocalization. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.